Hello and welcome back guys to another lesson on Adobe Premiere Pro. In this lesson, I'm going to show you guys the selection tool. Now, what is the selection tool? Selection tool is basically how you select a video or how you move it around, okay? So let's go to Adobe Premiere Pro and I'll show you what the selection tool actually is. So in Premiere Pro, the selection tool, you'll find it right over here. This is always selected because this is used the most on Adobe Premiere Pro. So let me tell you this. If I select the selection tool just like this, and remember that this is the toolbar, okay? You'll have all the necessary tools that you need from over here. Okay, so basically if I select this one, if I click on this video, now it has been selected thanks to the selection tool. You can see that this one is selected right now. If I select this one, it will be blacked like this. Now, currently this one is selected. So now if I move it around like this, if I take it up right over here, and if I take it right over here, you can see that it's moving. Now I can move any other video as well, just like this, very easily. Okay. So basically selection tool helps you select a file and move it around and move it anywhere you want. Now I can also move this video from this sequence to another sequence. For instance, if I select it like this and if I drag it right over here, now you can see that this is selected. If I take it to sequence 4 and if I just drop it like this right over here, you can see with the help of the selection tool, I just selected and dragged and dropped it right over here. Now the video is not present right over here, it's also present over here. Okay, so basically it just it's copied. Okay, so now if I want to delete this one, I can just go ahead and click on ripple delete, or also I can just go ahead and click on cut from over here. If I click on cut, it will be cut just like that. All right, so if you want to ripple delete, you can do that as well. Just click on ripple delete, it will just get deleted at the same process. All right, that's basically the selection tool. It is used the most commonly on Adobe Premiere Pro. So it is very important, the selection tool. There are a lot of tools over here, and I'm going to get into them later on. So basically, this is the selection tool. This is how you use the selection tool as well. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Okay, so I'll meet you in another lesson.